In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a product thumbnail on Gumroad. First, open your browser and go to Gumroad. Then log in to your account. After logging in, go to the product section in the left sidebar and open the product you want to edit. Once the product editor opens, scroll down until you find the cover image or thumbnail section. Now click Upload Thumbnail or Upload Image. After that, select an image from your computer. For the best results, use a high-quality JPG or PNG image with clear visuals and readable text. Square images such as 600 by 600 pixels or 800 by 800 pixels usually work best for Gumroad thumbnails. Choose a thumbnail that clearly represents your product because this image appears on your Gumroad product page, profile, library, and shared links. Once you select your image, it will automatically upload to your product page. After the upload finishes, click Save and continue to keep your changes. If your product is already live, the updated thumbnail will appear immediately on your Gumroad page. Using a professional and eye-catching thumbnail can help increase clicks, improve conversions, and make your product look more trustworthy. And that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.